Thank you for joining us on this Monday afternoon. I'm Jeremy Carroll. Let's get straight to your afternoon headlines. As Ford electrifies its lineup, the automaker is planning to showcase more concept vehicles. And the first will come next week. That's when the company plans to release an electric vehicle concept for its Lincoln luxury brand. Ford teasing an image of the vehicle today. It's all part of a new strategy under the automaker's Chief Design Officer, Anthony Lowe. The 57-year-old telling our Mike Martinez that the electrification of Ford's lineup is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to rethink how a vehicle should look. Lowe spent the last decade at Renault. He joined Ford last year. He says the company is entering a really exciting period from a design perspective, saying, quote, "We're going to have a lot of opportunity to take our nameplates and try to reinvent them." For more on Lowe's vision, check out AUTONEWS.com. Suppliers of internal combustion engine vehicles will need to realign their businesses, simplify their supply bases, and increase their merger and acquisition activity if they hope to thrive in the world of electric vehicles. That is according to a new study from consulting firm McKinsey. As our John Irwin reports, the study comes as auto suppliers ponder how electrification and automation might upend their decades-old business model. The outlook is especially daunting for suppliers that rely heavily on engines, transmissions, and fuel systems. The market for those parts is expected to shrink drastically in the coming years. McKinsey reports that the market for transmissions totaled $93 billion in 2019. The consultant says that will fall to $65 billion in 2030 and drop to $25 billion in 2035. The same trend is true for engine systems. Turning to Mercedes-Benz, the automaker will more than halve its carbon footprint per passenger vehicle by the next decade. That is compared with 2020 levels. The luxury marque will source 70% of its energy needs for production through renewable energy by 2030. Mercedes plans to hit those marks by rolling out solar and wind power projects at its plants and through power purchase agreements. The automaker's environmental focus will significantly affect its suppliers. CEO Ola Kalinius saying that sustainability will be an awarding criteria for suppliers. And Cadillac auctioned off a special CT5V Blackwing over the weekend. The car is one of 120 being made to celebrate the brand's 120th anniversary this year. It sold for $250,000 at the Barrett-Jackson Palm Beach auction. Cadillac donated the money to the SAE Foundation to benefit STEM education for students. That's our time for today. Have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.